Alright, so today we're working on Daniel's car. Today we're gonna put his distributor O-ring right here. And if you want this, fuck, I don't even have the... I'll try to put the part number in the description. We bought it from Honda, probably $5 around there. Because his distributor O-ring is leaking. And I've done it in my car before. So we're gonna do it this one. But this one was leaking way more. I think he cleaned it up a bit, but you can still see. I'll try to see if you can see. It doesn't show that much. But yeah, we're gonna change his distributor O-ring. So let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little line to mark the timing, just to make sure we align it right how it was before. Just gonna use a screwdriver to make the line straight. I don't know if you can see the line right there, but he made the line, so that should be good enough. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the 3 bolts. This one right here, there's one in the bottom, one down over there, and we're just gonna take off the distributor, take off the spark plugs as well. So it could be easier, and we're probably gonna unplug this right here to take out the distributor. Alright, so I just used the 12 right here. I used the 12. Fucking hate that car. It's just always setting off my Civic's alarm. But yeah, I used the 12 right here to take this top one off, because with the one of these, it won't go in. Because of this little border right here, so it won't sit flush inside. So you gotta use a wrench. Took this first one out. I'm probably gonna use the same tool for this one down here, if you can see. And then I'm gonna use this with the extension for this bottom one, because it's harder to reach. All right, we took it off right here. We're gonna replace that O-ring. It doesn't look bad, but I'm pretty sure it's the leak from there, because we checked, there's nowhere else it could leak from. By the way, I think everyone that works on the car should get one of these magnetics. It took me a long ass time. We're always doing shit. Look at that. Sponsor me. Sponsor me, Harbor Freight. But yeah, we're gonna change this out, probably with this little flathead. We have a new one right there. Alright, so we have everything in. Everything's good. Spark plugs are in, so let's see if it turns on. Chillin'. Let's see if we hear a backfire or something. Preparing. Oh yeah, by the way, we finally put an exhaust on yesterday. After fucking a long ass time of just running nothing. Just all the way to the resonator, we finally put an exhaust that our friend Jesse actually bought him around Christmas time, and he never put it on because it looked nicer. Look at that. Doesn't look that bad. Look, it's a Supra. Look, is that a Supra? Is that a Tommy Dog?
Is that a Tommy Dog?
Doesn't sound that bad. Watch, rev it a little bit so they could hear how it sounds now. I'll probably put a clip of yeah, we got that exhaust off of HMO. They just have a bunch of exhausts that they get off the cars from Japan. So that's a Japanese. Someone in Japan had that on at some point. So it's JDM.
Cut to the tip of each side.
Well, yeah. Now we're just gonna see if it leaks or not. We have it clean and everything's cleaned up. So we're gonna wait a couple days till he starts driving it, and then we're gonna see if it ends up leaking or not. But yeah, that's it for now.